Hello guys. Today we will be discussing on the ethical considerations in machine learning. If you have no experience or no knowledge about what a ML system is, think of it as a black box. A black box which when posed with a question outputs an answer that has a high probability of being correct. In order to get this high probability, we need to set up the black box first. In practice, we try to create a set of many black boxes and choose the one with the highest accuracy. To build these we need lots of data and an algorithm. Think of the data as a long list of questions with correct answers. The algorithm learns from this data. Each black box in a set has a slightly different version of the same algorithm. Finally, we pick the version that is most accurate. Now let us discuss the problems. They are data, algorithm and results. The first one is data. This is perhaps the biggest of the three problems. A good ML system needs lots of data. But where are we going to get this data? And if this data we are seeking doesn't already exist, how are we going to mine it? Sometimes the data sought exists already. It might be open-sourced and free. It might be publicly available for a price. Or the data might be privately owned by a group of people. All is well if it's free and open-sourced. Perhaps it is good even if it's available to buy. But is it alright if you steal someone's private data? You might lean towards no. But what if that data, currently accessible only to a few, can help millions around the world with your brand new ML model? Would it then be considered right? Suddenly the question does not seem so black and white. The answer becomes more ambiguous when we talk about tracking people anonymously, without their consent, to collect data. This data could perhaps be used to detect unusual activities. We already know our web searches are being tracked. If your ML system can help prevent the next terrorist attack by tracking the common people, does it become right to track them? Or does the action at least become justified? The second one is algorithm. It's a good thing that many of the important and useful algorithms are open-sourced. This means that everybody has access to it, and some even allow us to modify it and make profit. This is great. Now, once again, imagine the same scenario with the data. If a group of people own a patented algorithm, the laws make it illegal to use the same algorithm. But what if that algorithm, in the right hands, can help millions? Can one's own sense of right and wrong be used to reverse engineer the algorithm to benefit others? This deals with theft of intellectual property, but is nonetheless a concern of ML. A problem with developing a new algorithm is closely tied with the datasets. If you don't have a complete dataset, it might just happen that your resulting ML system becomes biased and it could start discriminating. For example, an AI that helps a bank determine whether to invest in a particular business could deny loans to everybody with a poor credit history even though their business has great potential. This is a bad example of automating human tasks that could take place unnoticed. This might not seem like a big ethical issue. Alas, it still concerns and questions the integrity of a ML engineer. Well, these are the ethical considerations in machine learning. Thank you.